Oh no, I'm broke and I can't fix myself.
Hey, good afternoon. Austin EV Only here. So today customer states the door handle is not presenting. It seems like when we press on it, it opens. So that's probably a micro switch. Might be a paddle, so we'll check it out today. The other doors seem like they're in good shape, but interested to get into it. Watch this. I'm not gonna call it magic because it's definitely not. It's definitely not magic. Try to win. Good occasion. Gotta love Elon, man.
Yeah. I love him.
All right.
Just like that.
Okay, then we'll slide right in. Okay. All right. This next part looks horrifying, but I promise it's not. It's reversible.
Taking the trim off. You watch the guy Rich rebuild?
Yeah, a bunch. I think you gotta give him credit. He's inspirational behind this. I was like, hey, if he can do this, I can do this.
Yeah.
So you can see I know a thing or two about rebuilding cars. This is like the hardest part of the whole thing right here. That's it. That's what. There we go. There we go. That's what it was.
Ah, there we go! Oh!
And I love it when a plan comes together.
We're gonna edit that part out.
You are broke.
There it is. Perfect. Let me go get you a new one. You called it. Good job.
Oh no, I'm broke and I can't fix myself.
Real quick, let's get a close-up of this here because this is really interesting. So the old piece, you can see here is a single cast piece, no holes in it. And for some reason, the casting method that they use, the material they use, leads to breakage. So they remade this part lighter, better. That's why there's some holes in it to make it lighter and stiffer. And so I think it's not a single die. It cast the piece. But either way, this is the new piece, and this is what broke for you. I don't even see where the two little bits, like, looks like they fell out somewhere. But yeah, otherwise, should be in good condition. We'll double check some of the micro switches. It serves me. We've got to pull, we've got to pull this whole pin out here. And then, so I believe that this positional sensor is what controls the opening and closing. So I want to try to make sure that I don't mess up the alignment there when I pull this out. Yep. See, that part's coming off now. Go ahead and see if I can pull on that now. There you go. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Gotta remember, 11 turns, because I want it to go back exactly the same distance. Wait, that's in the way anymore. Probably gonna hit that one next.
Sounds like it moved a lot.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
Why is this thing back on? Oh, it did. Oh, yeah. Cool. Well, what's funny about this is... Okay, there we go. Cool.
Eureka!
them are having trouble getting this to slide in. Yeah, I feel like I should put it down, but at the same time, I'm like, I really need to hold. I need to like hold all this together. Cool. Yeah. So you go ahead and hold that down while I tap here. So we can get this.
Perfect.
Cool. And then let's so, and then it was facing down, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And when it was, yeah, it was about there, and then when it opened up, it
turned a little bit, yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's keep sliding it in there. I don't know how else you're supposed to do it without cutting away that little piece there.
Probably the new 17, they replaced the whole piece.
It's probably just easier, which is probably why it's 200 and something bucks instead of, okay, cool, and then that piece slips right in there.
To figure out.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whoops, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So hopefully that keeps it level.
Do we have to put the little pin thing back in, or?
It looks good. Yes.
Yeah, in the middle.
Yep. Sorry, I was just making sure. Fantastic. Cool. What else? I think we should test
it before we put it back in.
So let's go do that. Door control unit. So yeah. Yes. There we go. There we go. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, let's light it up. I like it. It just popped out. Did you see that?
Yeah, it just popped out. It didn't pop out all the way, right?
Okay. Cool.
Excellent.
Well, let's make sure it goes back in before we call it quit. So here, I'm gonna close this again here. So give me the key. I assume you know this about your key. So if we double click, doesn't it open? 1, 2. There we go.
Yeah.
If we single click,
Yeah, close. There you go.
close. That's what I wanted you to do. Just don't. Yeah, just. Okay, looks good.
Excellent.
All right, thank you for the video. Great. Cover. Yay. The last one. Cool. Alright, I'm going to come a little closer because it does not have that much slack here. Yeah. Okay, and I'm going to come down real slow. Alright. I think it's off. Very good. And actually, now I'm remembering the hardest part now, doing it by myself, was getting it lined up. So it'll be great to have you here, because then I can have you stand on the other side and look at it and be like, a little up, a little down. And you can kind of tell me where to go.
wire here.
Okay. Okay, so I think,
It's up more.
how's that, too much?
Now up more on this side. Okay. So this back end, go back up.
Whoops, hang on. Let me hand tighten this. Okay, so you're saying the back end is not the greatest?
Yeah, back needs to go up more. Right there.
Right there. Yeah, can you hold it?
I'm trying to stick my nail under there so I can hold it in place.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, I kind of let go. I let go.
Okay.
Slide it back down.
No, it's good. I got my nail in place. So.
Okay. Okay, I've got all 4 hand tightened at this point.
Okay.
So this is the last check before I cure it.
You want to see if it maybe open so the handles can come out?
You said you want to do a test run?
Yeah, let it come out and see if it rubs or anything like that, or is it?
Why is it still locked? There we go. That's better. And like that? You like it like that too?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, I'm gonna redo this guy here. Good. Okay, I'm gonna tighten them all down then. Oh my gosh,
Go from the inside.
Oh, it's in my pocket. Oh, the answer is always in my pocket. And then the last one. Are we ready to just
Back together.
Wait, what's missing? Oh, I see. As it goes down, and then it goes some more. There we go. There we go. Now I'm happy. There we go. There. And then
Kind of wiggle it in, I think.
yeah. That looks fairly lined up for me. Successful panel cap to go. Panel cap to go. That's not too bad.
Yeah, that's not too bad. Because I've seen some cars, I was like, oh my goodness.
Alright,
Those are
we
some-
put the window down and we'll...
Hey, thank you so much for watching. Model S and Model X door handles are one of the most common repairs out there. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. That's how we make more videos. Until next time, Austin EV only.